Welcome back to my YouTube channel, John Milking. When you watch the Jolly Blog, you see what's happening to the Tannerites. Bad thing happen, and the kid doesn't go to public school. They're paying a price when doing homeschool. Look, they have a lost kitten already. Close fire. Two breaking. And two cut. And the other thing, running across thunder, running from place thunderstorm in the ranch. Big Mac. Another lightning storm thing. Now I have phone. She almost lost. She almost lost a meal. Cotton toes. Disneyland. Stung by a jellyfish in the beach. Allergy eyes. Scared for the flood. That's always gonna happen again. And a flood thing. And the kids still staying homeschool. They have to pay the price. They're gonna get happen. They can't go and their kid are be doing homeschool. Doesn't go to public school. They're gonna keep paying the price. And God is really mad at them. God is really mad at them. And they will really question. They know Christian people doesn't do homeschool along with the virus. So remember this. You you don't want a boy paying the price to make God angry at you. Put your kid back in public school because the Tannerites already messed up really bad by keeping the kid in homeschool and they ruined the Haunted Adventure and the Dice Fan by doing this and the beach house. And they're making it, and they're making, and they're not helping them out. But when they came back in public school, bad things gonna happen. Just remember this. The Tannerites is not a good person. I was sure I would describe the Jolly Blog and describe to the Tannerites YouTube channel and never watch it again. Long as their kid goes back to public school because they're doing daily blog and their video are lacking. And their video are lacking. Every single time when there's a new video out, it take a week to post a new video every single time by doing the daily blog. I want to tell you how long it took this video to do. And they're way behind. They're way behind. It's not December anymore. It's December, but it's still doing stuff for August. They're way behind. For them, they need to stop doing daily blog and focus on the other videos. And help Nutty Knows videos too. Savannah Banana, what is going on? She even knowing they even have no new videos here. And focus on Ali the Rose. But just too focused doing Tannerites gaming and too focused doing daily blog, but they're not helping nothing out. Sorry. That's just bad. Parents, that's just bad. That's just really bad. and they wanna make their channel